Can you run those staples down, Caleb?
Yes.
Or do you want me to run it down? I can do it. They're back.
Bottom left? I broke.
Alright, that first part of that white paper, I'm going to see if it's an elevation issue, alright? So we're working with that whole... You see anything?
No.
Nothing new?
One left.
Anything new?
No. Two left.
Hey, Colonel and Sergeant Major guys are on their way. Just go ahead and like
top right.
Wait, which way are you aiming at?
So left pallet. Middle target set. Bro, top left corner. Two left. We're getting close. What do you want? So all these rifles. We good, doggies. All the rifles.
See this mount?
I'm working on it.
No, we burnt the bridges.
That's what I'm working on. To see if that's a real thing or Matt just made it up.
Well, he said to come see him, right?
Yes.
He wants us to go.
I think I like this.
I mean, unless you
I
think.
don't care. I don't care.
What do you think?
I don't think we're going to use it. I think it's just good to have in, just in case. For now.
Okay. Can't use our fast loaders anymore.
And just like zip it all the way.
Why would he do that?
It flips in there. How's it actually shooting?
My position's not.
No shit. You're supposed to shoot the targets.
I don't want to.
Yeah, the whole point is to shoot the targets.
I could shoot whatever one I want. That's the beauty.
Hit the top of the head. Like the very top of the head.
Supposed to raise it.
I'll catch him as we pop out.
Well, once I
Dial down there. Yeah, but I'm looking for clicks and cuts.
3,
Oh, you're
4.
doing this one?
No, so you got there's the hits. I care about the misses. Okay. That's out. So that's minus 12, 13.
Okay.
Minus 13 total. That's what I want you to give me is the minus.
All right.
I don't give a.
That sucked.
I think that was a hit, Robert. I couldn't see her. Nope.
gotta bring it up 5, bro.
Same mission?
Get up. Hey, gun team's good.
Roger.
Down, down, down.
We're just shooting at 600 meters. Right. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Right? But if you're engaging a field,